Microwaves get gross quick. Luckily, there are a few simple ways to get your microwave clean. Today, we will share with you our favorite hacks to clean a microwave. The best part of all is none of these require scrubbing. In this video, we will share 7 easy methods to clean your microwave. Okay, let's get started. 1. Clean a microwave with vinegar. Cleaning a microwave with vinegar is a simple and effective way to remove grime and food residue from the inside of your appliance. Vinegar is an acidic liquid that helps to break down tough stains and grease, making it an ideal cleaning agent for this often used kitchen item. There are several benefits to using vinegar to clean your microwave oven. It is a natural, non-toxic cleaning solution that is inexpensive and easy to find. Here's how to clean a dirty microwave with vinegar. 1. Fill a bowl with 2 cups of water and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. 2. Add 1 toothpick to the vinegar and water mixture. This will prevent the water from overboiling by allowing bubbles to develop on the wood as the water heats up. Put it in the microwave and run it for 5 minutes. 3. Carefully remove the bowl with oven mitts. 4. Wipe the inside of your microwave with a clean cloth or sponge. Finally, your microwave should be clean in no time. Using vinegar to keep the inside clean is our favorite method. It is surprisingly easy and works best for a deep clean. Also, please visit our website for full instructions on how to use vinegar and how to use it effectively in cleaning your microwave. The link is in the description. 2. How to clean a microwave using Angry Mama Microwave Cleaner. One popular and effective microwave cleaning method is Angry Mama, a special cleaner designed specifically for this purpose. Angry Mama is a fun option if you want an easy and effective way to clean the microwave. Like other methods, Angry Mama is straightforward. All you have to do is fill it with water, lemon juice, and vinegar, then place it in the microwave and turn it on for 5 minutes. When Angry Mama has finished heating up, carefully remove it and wipe down the inside of your microwave. This will help to loosen any food stains or residue that may be stuck to the walls and corners of your appliance, making it much easier to clean. Please visit our website for full instructions on how to use Angry Mama and how to use it effectively in cleaning your microwave. The link is in the description. 3. Clean a microwave with lemon juice. Cleaning a microwave with lemon juice is a simple and effective way to eliminate dirt, grime, grease, and food splatters inside your appliance. This method has several benefits over other cleaning methods, such as being easy to use and inexpensive. Here's how to clean a microwave with lemon juice. First, fill a microwave-safe bowl with water and several lemon slices or wedges, and don't forget to add a toothpick to the bowl. Second, microwave the water and lemon mixture for around 5 minutes until the steam inside of the microwave begins to collect on the door's window. Lastly, use a dry towel to wipe down the interior walls of your microwave with steamy lemon water. Please visit our website for full instructions on how to use lemon juice to clean your microwave. The link is in the description. 4. Clean a microwave with baking soda. Baking soda is one of the most effective and efficient ways to get the job done. Baking soda has many benefits when cleaning your microwave, including its ability to dissolve stains quickly and stick to food particles without causing any damage to the surface of your appliance. Here's how to clean a microwave with baking soda. Mix baking soda with water to create a thick paste perfect for scrubbing away tough messes and stains. Then, apply the baking soda inside, let it sit for a few minutes, and wipe away the dirt and grime with a damp cloth or sponge. So next time you need to clean your microwave, don't reach for harsh chemicals or expensive cleaning products. Grab some baking soda instead. Also, consider baking soda to clean your oven. Please visit our website for full instructions on how to use baking soda and how to use it effectively in cleaning your microwave. The link is in the description. 5. Clean a microwave with dish soap. Dish soap is one of the most effective ways to clean the inside of your microwave, as it easily cuts through grease and grime. It also leaves a fresh, clean scent, making your kitchen feel fresh and inviting. Dish soap is an excellent option if you are looking for an effective and fast way to clean your microwave. Many people prefer soap over the strong smells of the other options. Apply it evenly and wipe away any excess residue or streaks that may remain after cleaning. Here's how to clean a microwave with dish soap. First, fill a bowl with hot water and add several drops of dish soap. Then start wiping down the grease. Once the dish soap has had time to work its magic, use a soft sponge or cloth to wipe down the inside of your microwave to remove the grate and grime. Pay special attention to any food splatters or other areas that may be extra dirty, and keep rinsing out your sponge as needed. Finally, dry the microwave's interior using a clean dish towel or paper towel, and then give it one last wipe with a dampened cloth or sponge to remove any lingering residue. And that's all there is to it. Your microwave will be sparkling clean in no time. Before we move on to the next method for cleaning the microwave, please check out our website for complete details on these incredible cleaning hacks, and we'll keep you informed on new ones. The link is in the description. Okay, let's continue. 6. Clean a microwave with ammonia. Ammonia is an alkaline substance that can break down messy foods, particles, or grease buildup on surfaces. One of the main benefits of using ammonia for cleaning a microwave is that it can help remove stains and residue without needing chemical or abrasive cleaners. Here's how to clean a microwave with ammonia. The first step is to gather your ammonia-based cleaning products. You will need at least one ammonia-based cleaner, such as ammonia-based glass or oven cleaner. You may also want to have some paper towels on hand and a clean sponge. Once your ammonia products are ready, start by wiping the outside of the microwave with a damp sponge or cloth. Then, spray the inside of your microwave with ammonia-based cleaner, making sure to avoid getting any cleaner on the buttons or vent of your microwave. Next, let the ammonia sit for 5 to 10 minutes to work its cleaning magic. Once the ammonia has had time to break down any stuck-on food or grease, you can start wiping away the mess. Begin by wiping down the interior of your microwave with a sponge or soft cloth, taking care to avoid getting ammonia on any part of the microwave that is still wet. Then, let your microwave interior dry entirely before using it again. With these simple steps, you can quickly and easily clean your microwave and restore it to its former shine. 7. Clean a microwave with hydrogen peroxide. One popular alternative to traditional cleaning methods is hydrogen peroxide. This simple, natural substance has many benefits when cleaning your microwave. It removes stains and bad odors without leaving behind harsh chemicals or residues. However, hydrogen peroxide also has its drawbacks, as it can be challenging to use and may cause damage to your microwave if misused. Here's how to clean a microwave with hydrogen peroxide. When cleaning your microwave with hydrogen peroxide, it is essential to follow a few key steps. Step number 1. You will need to gather all the necessary materials: hydrogen peroxide, a sponge or soft cloth, and a bowl of warm water. Step number 2. Spray the hydrogen peroxide directly onto your microwave surfaces. Step number 3. Let the hydrogen peroxide sit for several minutes, then wipe it away with a wet sponge or cloth. Step number 4. Use your bowl of warm water to rinse away any leftover hydrogen peroxide residue. Step number 5. Let the microwave dry. Overall, hydrogen peroxide is a great cleaning tool for your microwave. It is easy to use, inexpensive, and removes dirt and grime from your appliance. Getting your microwave clean is so easy. Whether you are dealing with stubborn stains or food splatters, many valuable tips and products can help. You can take steps to prevent food from sticking to the inside of your microwave, such as wiping it down after each use and using a microwave-safe lid or film to cover your food. By following these helpful tips, you can ensure that you have a clean microwave that remains functional for years. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel, as well as turn on the notification bell for future updates on how to waste less time and money. And don't forget the link in the description.